Hello everyone, my name is Khush Patel and today in this video we are solving LeetCode problem number 2000, reverse prefix of word. So basically in this question we are given a string and a character. We have to reverse a string to the character we received. We are given that character in the question. We have to reverse the part of the first half string to the that character. We have to reverse that and merge it to the left behind string and return that as an answer. As you can see, here are some examples. This is the description of the question, and let's try to solve this without wasting any time. So my approach for solving this question will be I will only use one loop for this question and solve entire question with many conditions. So for firstly, I will make an integer to iterate in our loop, and then we need another boolean data type for checking if our current state our character is caught or not. If character is caught, then we will save it another string, whatever temp string, and if it is found, then we will merge it into the uh, same string as our question. So let's make a boolean. We will name it include. Firstly, our character will be not found, so that's why I am making it false. Another string we will need to save our first half of string, our prefix, and another string that will be required for storing our final answer. And then I will make a while loop, which will be run to the size of the word string. So our first condition for this loop will be for if our question is found, then we will do the merging and reversing our prefix here. So let's write condition for that. If our current character is equal to our character given in the string, then we will run this. And also I will make another end condition that our character should be this should only work for the first time. So I will also check if our character is previously found or not. If it is not, then and only this condition will run. uh, I will make another condition else where if our character is found, then how our answer string will be posed for the next iterations. We will make condition for that here, and at the last, I will make else. If these are not means our character is not found, then we will simply return our current character in the answer string. Sorry, not in the answer string, but our prefix string, so that we can get our prefix before our character comes. So let's make this. And we know that if our character is found, then we will return everything in our answer only. So we will do this same for if our character is found, then we will return uh, our entire string. question string in the answer only. Now comes to the main part, which is if our character founds, then how we will work on our prefix to save it in the our answer string. So for that, I will first reverse our prefix. So for that, we will use a reverse method. We have used this in our previous videos too. So I hope you know this. We will reverse our prefix dot begin to the uh, prefix dot end, and we will save it in our answer string. Okay, so our condition should work now. Let's at the last, I will simply return our answer string. We have to also iterate our loop too. So I will make our I plus here. Let's try to run this and see if our question submits or not. Okay, so I think our loop is not starting here. Let's check if any code have some problem or not. Let's try to run this one another time. Uh, okay, so the reason behind is it we are not making our output making our include boolean true. So for that reason, it was not iterating. If our character is included in the loop, then we will make our include boolean true. There are still some errors. Let's try to look at it. Okay, so as you can see, our the first part of the loop is our last part of the loop is coming in the output, but our first part of the loop is not there in the loop. So let's look at it. Okay, so there was mistake in saving our prefix in answer string. Let's try to run this again. Okay, so as you can see, our last character is not including in the answer. So that is the same character we have to see it. So what I will do is I will also save it in the prefix. Let's try to run again. Okay, so as you can see in this third example, we will given a character that was not included in our string. So that's why our output is empty. So let's make another condition for that too. The condition will be if our answer string is empty, then we will simply return our prefix in the then we will simply return our prefix because our character is not given in the string, so that our first if condition will not run, and that's why our prefix will be not saved in the answer string. So we have made condition for that. Now let's try to run this again, and as you can see, our third example case is also accepted here. Let's try to submit it. Okay, so as you can see, our solution beats 94.63% of solutions and only uses 0 millisecond of runtime. So this solution's time complexity is O of n, since we have only used one while loop, and its space complexity is also O of n. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you did, then make sure to like the video. Thank you for watching.